Hello UniPlot community. Today's video is about learning how to deal with GPS data and UniPlot. I will work with a GPS track I have from a trip I did in bicycle. We will load it in UniPlot and then see how to plot it over the map it corresponds to. The map was downloaded from the great OpenStreetMap website. First, let's load the data. I have it here, with the altitude, the latitude and longitude. The first interesting part you would like to do is to plot the XY diagram of the map to know the range it covers and to be able to download the proper map. So I plot a 2D XY diagram and you get this curve, which is the map. Now from the tooltip you can get the X-min, Y-min, X-max, Y-max, and you would give it to OpenStreetMap to properly download the map you need. I have it here. This is the map I want to plot in UniPlot. Well, I now have the coordinates of my trip and the corresponding map. It's time to use it. In UniPlot, GPS data are best plotted with 3D diagram. I will set the 3 component and plot it in an A4 landscape page. The 3D diagram shows with the isoline, but this is not the best representation for this kind of diagram. I will then modify the 3D diagram settings by going to the Scatter Plot tab in the 3D configuration. I will choose a bubble plot, for which I remove the isoline, and I change the color map to the rainbow map. You now get your tracks with the size of the bubble depending on the altitude. Let's now add the map. I right-click on the diagram, go to Insert Graphic, select the map I created earlier, click on Open. Now to have it as a background and at correct scale, I have to modify its properties. To do so, I right-click, click on Properties, and I have to set up the world coordinate. I use the coordinates I used in OpenStreetMap to get the perfect scaling. Once the coordinates are set up, I click on OK. And you can see that the map is scaled to the data point. Let's go and see around Boston. And we can rescale. That's all for today. Now you can try it with your GPS data. Thanks for watching.